The deadly Harding Street raid was front and center once again inside of a downtown Houston courtroom.
A big development today. The defense team for a former narcotics officer accused of double murder attempting to get his indictments thrown out of court. KPRC2 investigator Mario Diaz has been on this case from day one. Mario, big development also today. You're able to get Gerald Goings to speak publicly for the very first time. Tell us about that.
Well, Brandon, overall it was intriguing because this was such a significant play by Goings and his team, an attempt to get the case tossed, and then immediately afterwards Goings didn't walk away. He stood by his attorneys, and unlike the past where he has remained silent, today he opted to say a few words to KPRC2 Investigates.
No, I just appreciate everything that the court is doing. I appreciate all the prayers that have been sent out to me.
Former Houston Police Department officer Gerald Goings speaking out for the first time since the deadly botched raid on Harding Street. Goings responding to KPRC2 Investigates. But this is all the officer charged with murder would speak to.
Gerald, it's been 4 years. How often do you think about Harding Street?
And at this point, we are going to leave it to the court to consider the very important legal matters before it.
Goings and his attorneys were back in a Harris County courtroom on Thursday, attempting to get the indictments tossed out.
We believe that the indictments are defective.
They say prosecutors aren't being forthcoming about the charges. Prosecutors made their counterpoint in court, saying that Goings' attorney, Nicole DeBoard, has been with him from day one. Prosecutor Tiffany Larson also telling Judge Frank Aguilar they want the court to believe they have no idea as to what they are charged with, and that is not the case. Larson also referenced a recording that exists between Goings and DeBoard discussing the alleged tampering of a document. When pressed afterwards about the recording, DeBoard had this to say.
At this point, it's under seal, and that means that it is not available for the public record, so I therefore cannot talk about it.
The judge says he plans to rule on the matter next Tuesday. Keep in mind that Goings is facing the potential of life in prison on federal charges as well. Live in the newsroom, Mario Diaz, KPRC2 Investigates.
All right, Mario, thank you.